You don't need your copy, no? Kasi ipa-flash siya dito sa screen. Okay, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, all of your address, hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the state profession in the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon myself and as a registered and licensed your profession. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. For the teachers, you have your pins with you. Yung mga teachers, wala, hindi kayo nabigyan ng pins. Bibigyan ngayon.